Alright guys, this is the mess that is my bathroom. Set to record. We're going to get this under control. Got a lot of new stuff to put in the bathroom. This makeup is out of control. Got new makeup. It's a hot mess. It's gone about 4 days without anything at all being done to it. The vanity. I cleaned the toilet right before Christmas really good, so I got to do that again. And yeah, so I'm just going to throw you guys in the tripod and tackle this. Come along with me and let's see how she grows. The toilet, and I wasn't recording, and it was super funny because I used the steamer on the toilet. It worked fantastic, but I had a sticker stuck in my toilet, a rainbow sticker. I don't know. I think my granddaughter stuck a sticker in the toilet bowl, which I had to peel out with my hands. You guys missed it all. So I thought I'd show you. This is, I can zoom out. Let me zoom. This is my Christmas shower curtain. Isn't he cute? But it's time for him to come down. And what I actually did was I just put him up over my everyday shower curtain. So it would be easier. Because let me tell you, shower curtains are one heck of a job. Okay, so here we have my little cutie patootie. She's helping me clean. I'm not much for showing kids on YouTube, but I think it's pretty safe. She's just my big helper, helping. So here's the after. I do want to show you my bathroom such as be still and know that I am God. And my shower curtains is be still and know that I am God. Yeah, so everything's all spiffy, cleaned up, already, nice. Well, as nice as this humble abode is getting, shall I say commode. My humble commode. Thanks, guys.